I asked God, "Why do bad things happen to good people?" And God answered, "Even the strongest trees face the harshest winds. Every struggle has a purpose, to make you stronger." I asked again, "Then why do I feel so alone?" And God said, "Just because you can't see the sun at night doesn't mean it's not there. I am always with you, even in silence." With a heavy heart I asked, "Will things ever get better?" And God answered, "Yes, but in my time, not yours. Trust me, the storm will pass, and the sun will shine again." I hesitated before asking, "But what if I'm not strong enough?" And God replied, "When you are weak, I am your strength. You don't have to do this alone." Tears filled my eyes as I whispered, "Do you still love me, even when I fail?" And God gently said, "My love for you has never changed and never will. Nothing you do can take it away." Finally I asked, "Are you really here with me?" And God reassured me, "I have never left you, my child, and I never will."